Hi everybody, Alex here from Expert Forex, and in this video I'm going to update you on how our beta testing is going for our Trend Trader EA. Recently we had our grid trend multiplier competition and some really interesting strategies came out of the winners of this particular competition. So we have now developed a new EA that allows the grid trend multiplier to be traded in a trending way as well as in a sideways market. Now, on your screen you can see that we started testing and beta testing this trend trader. It's made up of a grid concept and also a moving average concept, and you can download the EA. You can look at some trading strategies that we can use. There's some beta testing guidelines for our beta testers, and you can see most of the activity has happened around discussions, test results, and improvements and changes that can be made to the trend trader. And there have been a number of improvements that have been suggested and which we have also made. So this is the third update of the trend trader, the beta version. And this will be valid till the 10th of July. Now, so far we've had some really interesting results here. Just showing a few of the members. I got some great results with the 28 pip gap, and I'm running a few further back tests. Here's one. So I started a new demo and ran it for less than 24 hours, and I had a return of 400%. Now, 400% in 24 hours is not bad. So the testing is going well. But then we have other ones that said I've downloaded and optimized the trend trader and came up with very good profits but very large drawdowns. So there's mixed results that have come out, but on the whole we're on the right track, and we have added more and more improvements as we're going along. And no doubt we will, in the next week or so, most probably come out with a new version of the beta testing, thanks to these fantastic beta testers that are really putting that EA through a good testing process. Now, this EA is only available to premium members of our forum, and you can go and download the various versions. There's the 16th of June version that was now replaced by the 22nd of June version, and we're now onto the 26th of June version. And essentially what we've done on this new version is we've added the time of day and the day of the week settings, and we've also allowed you to actually close all deals at the end of the period that you've nominated in those settings. So what that does is it allows for really good scalping when the market trends in the most volatile times of the day. So if you want to join the beta testers, go along and join the premium forum. It's $24 a month, and you can download the beta version. There are also 12 other benefits that you can get from being a member. The most popular ones are downloading premium indicators. Other ones are the trade alerts that are given on a daily basis, and then the active forum discussions, which you can see is by far the most popular one. This is the benefit that we're talking about now, the ability to beta test trading robots. And then at the end here we also have very specialized optimization settings that help optimize EAs to have smooth equity curves as well as low leverage optimizations. So we're getting close to a commercialized trend trader EA, and please watch your videos in the future for more news. If you want to have a sneak peek, certainly join the premium forum so that you can become a beta tester and test the EA. So from me, Alex, cheerio.